This little Lexus does something most luxury brands won't even attempt. It takes everything you expect from a car twice its size and compresses it into something you can actually park in the city. And somehow, it doesn't feel like a compromise. Here's the thing most people miss. The LBX isn't trying to be a baby RX, it's built on the same platform as the Toyota Yaris Cross, but Lexus spent serious engineering hours making it drive like it costs 40,000 euros. And it works. The steering is weighted like a proper sports sedan. The throttle response feels instant because that electric motor kicks in before the engine even wakes up. You tap the pedal and it lunges forward like something angry just woke up. 0 to 60 takes 9.2 seconds, which sounds slow on paper. But in traffic, this thing embarrasses cars costing twice as much because the hybrid system gives you all its torque immediately. No lag, no hesitation, just instant shove. The engine is a 1.5-liter 3-cylinder, making 136 horsepower. Sounds tiny, right? But here's what changed everything. Lexus uses a bipolar nickel metal hydride battery instead of regular lithium-ion. It charges faster, discharges harder, and feeds a bigger electric motor than the Yaris Cross ever got. So this actually feels quick when you need it to be. The interior is where this thing really breaks the rules. Most small SUVs give you hard plastics and apologize about it. The LBX gives you semi-aniline leather, ambient lighting with 64 color options, and a digital cockpit that looks like it belongs in something costing 60,000 euros. The cool trim adds bi-tone paintwork, copper stitching details, and an interior that feels more premium than cars 2 segments up. You get wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless charging, and that Hey Lexus voice assistant that actually works. But here's the catch nobody talks about. The ride is firm. Not harsh, but definitely firmer than you'd expect from Lexus. They tuned the suspension to make it handle well, which means it gets a little fidgety over rough pavement at low speeds. The compromise is worth it though, because this thing carves corners like it's on rails. The trunk holds 332 liters with the seats up, which isn't huge, but it's smarter than the number suggests. The space is well shaped, no weird intrusions, and everything actually fits. Fuel economy is ridiculous. We're talking 52 miles per gallon combined, sometimes better in the city because the electric motor does most of the work. Now here's what makes this actually interesting. In Europe, the base LBX starts at 33,900 euros. The cool all-wheel drive trim you're looking at here, around 47,400 euros base, going up to 53,000 fully loaded. That's mini money for something that drives better, runs on half the fuel, and comes with Lexus reliability, which brings up the only real problem. The reliability hasn't been perfect. Early 2024 models had issues with the 12-volt battery going flat. Lexus is replacing them free, but it's worth checking if you're buying used. So yeah, this breaks every rule about what a luxury car should be. It's tiny, it's a hybrid, and it somehow feels more premium than most things twice its size. Next time we're diving into something that makes even less sense on paper, but somehow works, the new Alpine A290. You'll want to see how the French are reinventing the hot hatch. Drop a comment if you'd actually daily drive this thing. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.